Okay, this topic is all about zero exponent. Okay, the rule of zero exponent, if for any non-zero number a raised to the power of 0 that is equal to 1. Okay, so let's have example number 1, 5 raised to the power of 0. So this is equal to 1. Okay, so according sa ating rule. Then number 2, 8x squared y to the 0 power or to the raised to the power of 0. So that is equal to, kopyahin natin yung 8, then x squared, then times, ang value nito or ang equivalent nito ay 1. So therefore, ang final answer natin dyan ay 8x squared. So this is your final answer. Okay, a raised to the power of negative n, so that is equal to 1 over a raised to the power of n. So kapag negative yung exponent, ay ganito yung result, 1 over a raised to the power of n. So example, a raised to the power of negative 5. So based sa rule natin, na kapag negative ang ating exponent, ang mangyayari dito, so this is 1 over a raised to the power of 5. Wala na pong negative si 5. So this is your final answer. Okay, this topic is all about negative exponent. The quantity of 3x, the quantity raised to the power of negative 3. So kapag negative ang exponent natin, so that is 1 over 3x. Tapos yung exponent natin na negative 3 yan. So dito, positive 3 na. So simplify natin yan. That is 1 over si 3. I-multiply natin yan 3 times because sa cube. Okay? Then si x, wala siyang exponent dito, pero mayroong exponent dyan. Okay? Kopyahin natin exponent dito. Then equals, simplify natin 1 over, so multiply natin ito 3 times. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Okay? Wala na pong exponent. Then si x, okay? So yung exponent natin ay cube. So x cube. So yung final answer is 1 over 27x cube. So this is your final answer. Okay, we will solve this one. Negative exponent pa rin tayo. So ang mangyayari yan, dito tayo sa baba. This 1 over 4x squared yz cube. Tapos yung exponent natin na squared. Wala nang negative. Okay, then simplify natin yan. 1 over 4 squared times x squared raised to the power of 2, then y squared, then z cube raised to the power of 2. Then yung final answer, 1 over, simplify, to 4 times 4, 16, x to the 4th power, y squared, z to the 6th power. So this is your final answer. Bye.